Faceless Instagram accounts have raked in over 500 grand in passive income. Folks, yep, you heard it right. I dove into this venture 2 years back with nothing but a dream, and now it's a money-making machine that practically runs itself. So buckle up, because I'm about to spill the beans on how you can hop on this gravy train too. Step 1. Start yourself an Instagram account about something you're absolutely nuts about. I'm talking passion. People, you're gonna be churning out content like there's no tomorrow, so it better be something that sets your soul on fire. From travel to sports, health to fitness, there's an audience out there for every niche imaginable. Step 2. Grab hold of the tools of the trade. You'll need a video editor for those snazzy reels and a design wizard for whipping up eye-catching posts. If you're a student, Adobe's got you covered on a budget, but there are also nifty alternatives like CapCut and Canva. Heck, I grew my first account to a whopping 1.5 million followers using just Canva, believe it or not. Step 3. Time to dive headfirst into content creation. But hold up, you gotta know the ins and outs of the Instagram algorithm, my friends. Likes? Nah, they're yesterday's news. Instagram's all about watch time, saves, and shares now. Craft content that keeps M hooked, makes M want to hit save, and has M tagging their pals left, right, and center. My viral posts, they blew past the usual metrics like they were standing still, and yours can too.
First, I'm going to show you how to create some simple posts using Canva. For the sake of this example, let's say that your channel is all about motivation. We can come into Canva and create a post like this. The first slide is bold and gets the viewer to really stop and look. We actually have a name for this. We call it the hook. This first slide contrasts well, gets someone to stop, and sparks a level of intrigue so they want to find out more. Next, we can come into ChatGPT and ask it to give us 7 motivational quotes of that success. The cool thing is, with ChatGPT, you can get super specific with this. Like if your page is all about sports, we can ask it to give us quotes by famous athletes or even by a specific person. So once you have what you're looking for, you can copy and paste them over in your Canva slides. If you want to go the extra mile, you can brand it with cool colors and relatable graphics. Posts like these go viral all the time, so you should see a lot of success.
Step 4. Let's talk about Reels, baby. With Instagram pushing M hard since the TikTok boom, there's never been a better time to jump on the bandwagon. Even new accounts are blowing up with Reels. Heck, I scored over 3 million views on one goofy video. No kidding. Platforms like ChatGPT and 11 Labs, they're your best buds for brainstorming ideas and cooking up voiceovers that'll knock folks' socks off.
So now let me show you how to create some simple viral videos like these. Again, we can come to ChatGPT and ask it to provide some simple motivational quotes. Remember, you'll want to find a quote that has a strong hook. Once you find one you like, we need to create a voiceover for it. Now, you can record yourself if you want, but you can also use a text-to-speech AI to do this for you, especially if you want to try to get a voice that matches what's being said. For this, we will come into 11 Labs, which is by far the best AI voice generator on the market right now. You can clone voices or generate your own, and you can play around with the stability and pitch to get it exactly how you want it to sound. Here's how our example sounds for now. If you love what you do, you'll never work a day in your life. Next, we need to animate this so it looks nice. You can add a cool background that is related to the quote or has a similar vibe. But in order to not copyright anyone else's art, we need to come to Midjourney. Now, Midjourney is paid, but you can also use Stable Diffusion or Leonardo, which are also free AI photo generators. Since our quote has 3 main sections, I'll ask Midjourney to create 3 photos for us to use. We're going to ask it for a Renaissance-style painting of ancient Greek philosophers, happiness, and someone thinking. Once we're happy with our AI images, we can drag them over to our video editing software. Today, I'll use CapCut because there's a free version and it's really accessible. You can drag your images in and match them to the audio. And finally, we want to create auto captions by clicking here. Remember, for the hook, you want it to ignite as much interest as possible. Now, this is just one style of what's currently working well for viral content, but in future videos, I'll be walking you through how to make even more engaging reels, so make sure to subscribe to see more.
Step 5. Before you hit that share button, make sure your content's got the X factor, my friend. It's gotta have a hook that reels M in, shareability that's off the charts, and substance that keeps M coming back for more. Nail these, and you're looking at viral gold, baby. Step 6. Keep on keeping on, champ. Stick to what's working like glue and watch those numbers soar. Monitor those insights like a hawk and double down on what's getting you results. That's how the pros keep the ball rolling. Step 7. Time to cash in on all that hard work, baby. Reach out to brands and strike up those sweet advertising deals. I've pocketed thousands from partnerships alone, and you could too. Just shoot them a message like, hey, got a solid following in finance. Wanna advertise? Easy as pie. In a nutshell, consistency is king in the wild world of Instagram. Folks, stick to the plan, keep that fire burning, and watch those dreams turn into cold, hard cash. If you found this guide as exciting as I did putting it together, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more epic tips and tricks.